at around 3, we left to go to the trade lunch.
And then nag-rehearse po kami ng sayaw namin, kaming 6.
I was together with most of the Lucky 7, so Marco wasn't there. And we were on stage and we danced sort of like a remix of the 10 Pineapple Apple Friends.
Sa rehearsal po yun sa Apple Pen, nandun si Sir Robby Domingo. Nandoon siya para mag-perform din with us.
Guys, iba yung music natin. After our rehearsal, we got to eat. Oh, it was great.
Itong trade lunch, ito yung event na
It was so different in terms of the environment that you're eating.
Mabubusog ka. Kahit hindi ka na kumakain, mabubusog ka sa mga artista.
And then I look up and I see in the table in front of us, there's the hashtag. And then I see Vice Ganda. And I'm like, okay, wow. And, you know, when else are you going to ever get a chance to eat in a room full of people that you've seen on TV, things like that?
Ayun nga, sabi nila control daw kasi iba trabaho lang. Sige, trabaho lang kasi. Tapos busy yung iba. Talang kinontrol ko na lang yun. Pero at least busog na busog ako sa mga kagandahan nila.
Yung nasa trade lunch po, as in lahat po talaga ng artista andun. As in, lahat ng mga cool na tao sa Pilipinas, parang grinupo sila, tapos dinagay sa isang building.
Ang dami, nakakatawa. Busog na busog ako. Pinapagalitan na ako kasi yun, ang daming artista. Hindi ko naman...
We were there, we saw a lot of artistas.
Kahit nasaan ka, kahit sa kanan, sa kaliwa, kanan.
Nasabi po kasi nila na magkakaroon ng mga artista. Pero hindi ko naman po in-expect na sin sobrang dami talaga.
Anong gagawin? Wala nga magagawin.
We saw a few artistas that we've seen inside the house. Kuya McCoy at the Elise reunion type thing. Kuya McCoy, during the Swear Teen Ball, he's like, hey, big brother. And I thought he meant Kuya, but he meant me because I'm taller than him. So he's little brother and I'm big brother. And so see him again along with Ate Elise. It was great because it's like nothing has changed.